Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can do After Effects text wiggle. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the After Effects software on your personal computer and make sure to open the target project. Now, select the text object and expand the first layer at bottom left corner of your screen. Then, get to the Animate feature and select Position from the menu. After that, locate the Add feature inside it and click on it. Now go to the Property feature and select Rotation. Again, get to the Add feature and this time, select the Selector feature and choose Wiggly from the sub-menu. Now, change the rotation and position values just like me. You will then get the wiggle effect. I'm also going to change the anchor height to the middle of the text so that it looks a bit better. Once done, expand the Wiggly Selector 1 menu and play with a wiggle per second feature till you get what you wanted. Also, change the value of correlation to 0. To make it even better, get to the Effects tab and apply the Posterize Time effect to it. Then, change the frames per second to 10 to get a cartoony effect. So that's basically how you can do After Effects text wiggle. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.